Quick announcement. I'm going to be the keynote speaker at the Mobile DJ Meetup. It's going to be in Allentown, Pennsylvania, and I have a cheat sheet here. Sunday, November 3rd, 2019, starting at 7 p.m. is kind of the kickoff party, and it wraps up Tuesday, November 5th, 2019 at 5 p.m. Now, what is this? This is an intimate DJ event where we're going to be more focused on networking, and I'm going to be doing a keynote presentation, but there will be other people speaking as well. John Young of Disc Jockey News, my good friend, he's going to be there giving a presentation. We also have Donnie Lewis, Sean Big Daddy McKee, Lou Paris, Michael Alvarez, and some guy named DJ Barr will be presenting at this event. We're limiting it to 100 people, and the price is $109.99. So let's just call it $110 to get in. Now, this includes lunch on Monday and Tuesday. Now, my favorite part of any DJ conference, believe it or not, is listening to other DJs and sharing information with them and having those powwows where we talk about anything from business to the artistic side of things or creative ideas. And this is what we're going to be doing at this event. There's plenty of time for that. This isn't going to be a situation where you walk into this expo hall and there's going to be all this crazy noise and lights. Some vendors have this giant city of a booth. Some have a teeny tiny booth. Half of them are irrelevant. You have no idea what anybody's doing, and it's so confusing you just walk out. Nope, everything's going to be in the same room, including the presentations, the networking, eating lunch, and the vendors. And we're going to introduce you to each and every vendor, and they're going to tell you what they provide and what they have to offer. You can go back later and talk to them and find out if their service is for you. Speaking of vendors, it's $2.99 for a vendor. That includes a 10x10 booth with electric and lunch on Monday and Tuesday. So this is not an expensive endeavor for anybody. This is very reasonable. Nobody's trying to get rich here. We're just trying to have a cool networking event for DJs. Do not confuse this with another event that's going on a few weeks or a week or two before this event. This is different. This is for DJs, by DJs, and it's just about having fun, sharing information, and looking forward to seeing you there. Once again, we're capping it at 100 people. Been organizing this for quite some time. I'm just making my formal announcement that I'll be doing the keynote. And again, this isn't something that I do very often. The last time I did a keynote was at the CDJ show in Canada. I did it 2 years in a row, and I had the highest attended seminar of the event. I'm pretty proud of that. So I'm not trying to toot my own horn here. I'm just saying that I don't get involved with a lot of these other shows, especially with just a free-form keynote. So I'm happy to do this one. It's going to be fun, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there if you can get in. Now, in the description of this video, check out the Eventbrite page, and there's also going to be a link in there to the Mobile DJ Meetup Facebook page, like that, and check it out. And there will be other possible people speaking and attending TBA that you might want to meet. So thank you. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you at the show. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comment section. Practice and enjoy.